I'm going to show you how you can promote Clickbank offers on Facebook and how you can do it after watching this video. This isn't going to be a long video which tells you to write blog posts or do Facebook ads. This is going to be a simple method which is as easy as it gets. So step number one is to go to clickbank.com and sign up for an account. I'm sure most of you that are watching this already have an account, so we're going to skip through this and we're just going to go to the Clickbank dashboard. So once you've created your Clickbank account and you've logged in, you should be able to find the Clickbank Marketplace. Again, I'm assuming that most of you know how to get here already. Now, if you're familiar with the Clickbank Marketplace, you can see there are different Clickbank offers in different categories. Now, we need to choose which category we're going to promote an offer in. This could work on Facebook with all of these niches, by the way, but I'm going to show you the one that everyone really knows, the one that's the most popular, and the one that kind of converts the best on Facebook. And that is the e-business and e-marketing niche. So if you go ahead and click on that drop-down menu, you can filter it for more specific categories, but we're just going to click on the main e-business and e-marketing niche. Now, once you do that, you're going to see different offers here. So at the top for me is a get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and that converts and so you'll get paid $29.81 per conversion on average. And you can see this one has a $1 trial. And these $1 trials are perfect and they convert great on Facebook, so look out for these. Scrolling down, you've got live chat jobs, and again with a $1 trial, and this one converts at $60 on average per conversion. And again, you can keep going down and down. Now, the reason why I like to use e-business and e-marketing is because these are all kind of like small jobs, like small online jobs that can appeal to a mass audience. And that's what you want really. You don't want something really niche that you're not going to be able to find anyone on Facebook that's interested. You want a wide enough audience so people are going to be interested. So we'll just go with this one, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and promote. I'm going to enter in my nickname and I'm going to create my hop link here. So here is my hop link and that is my affiliate link to Clickbank. Now, if I go ahead and copy this, what we're now going to do is shorten it because some people on Facebook know what Clickbank is already. We're just going to shorten it to make the link look a lot more appealing. Now, to shorten links, you can use anything. I personally use tinyurl.com. So we're going to go ahead and paste in our long Clickbank link in here. You can also write an alias at the end, so it'll be tinyurl / let's say get paid to use socials, then make that a tiny URL so you can see that is available. So we're going to go ahead and copy this URL. Now this is going to be our affiliate link and this will redirect to the Clickbank landing page, which looks something like this once it loads. So it's kind of like a quiz and it tells people how much they're going to earn and the best job fitted for their needs. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a notepad and I'll just paste this in. So this is going to be our link for future reference and we're now going to promote this link on Facebook. So if you head over to Facebook, there's one method in specific which I'm going to show you, which is 100% free and you don't have to write any blog articles and you can get targeted traffic to your link within like an hour. So you can really see it working. So if you go to the Facebook search box in the top left hand corner, and we're in the e-business and e-marketing niche and we've kind of got like a small work from home styled online job. So you want to be thinking, who is going to be interested in this offer and what kind of groups are they going to be in? So I've already got some searches here. So if I search for work from home and then I go to the group section, you can see there are different work from home groups. So this one has 1.3k members. This one has 48,000 members. UK work from home, 7,500 members. And what you can do is you can go and open these in a new tab. So just open like 5 to 10 of these. This one's got 107k members. And we're not really interested in the contents of the group, although this group looks like a really high quality group with genuine people. So this could be a really, really good group, and I actually might do this after the video. But what you would do is, one, you can go ahead and write something, and you can go ahead and write a post in this group explaining that you've got a work from home opportunity that can pay them to use their socials, and then you would say PM me for more because you don't want to put your link in that post. Or you can go to people, you can then scroll down, and you'll see the people that are new to this group. And with these people, what you can do is you can go to their profile, you can then message them and be like, hi, I've seen that you joined the work from home group. I've been in the group for a while. I've got a work from home opportunity if you're interested. This opportunity will pay you to use social media like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Are you interested? And you're going to go ahead and copy this same message template to multiple people on Facebook. Now, when you've done this and you've pasted this throughout like 10 to 15 people, you're going to have 10 to 15 conversations going at one time. And you can reply to these and give them the answers to any of their questions and eventually link your affiliate link in the Facebook chat. And all it really is here is a numbers game. So you can get like 10 to 15 of these people who are in this group open. You would send them the same message, you would speak to them and build a connection as a human. And then you can go ahead and recommend them your product, which will be the Clickbank offer. And if they go ahead and use it and pay the $1 trial, you're going to earn a commission, and you might earn more reoccurring commissions if they stay signed on to the system. So that's the method. That's how you can promote Clickbank affiliate links on Facebook. Leave a like and watch this video if it does interest you.